Are everyday choices keeping you from living your dreams? Here are 3 traps causing you to live paycheck to paycheck. I'm Paige, and I'm here to give you some personal finance tools to help you develop some skills so that you can join me in becoming millionaires. Trap number 1, consumerism. Consumer spending makes up for 70% of the US economy. We are a consumer nation. In fact, the average American spends about $1,500 a month on non-essential items. So things like getting your hair done or going out to restaurants and movies and entertainment. So the average American spends $1,500 a month on these non-essential items. We live in a world that is designed to trigger our dopamine responses to make us want to spend more, get more stuff, and keep up with everyone else. So we're so focused on buying the right bag and getting the right house or looking a certain way to meet everyone else's expectation. Once you find your internal happiness, it doesn't matter how much crap you have, because at the end of the day, it just turns into crap. Really, it's just all trash. So consumerism keeps you from living your dreams. It holds you back. It's a trap. It's a trap! Like Star Wars. There's been a subculture developing around minimalism and breaking away from those consumerism ideals. Because at the end of the day, stuff is not going to make you happy. What makes you happy are things that really matter in life, like spending time with family, loved ones, your pets, doing the things that you truly love and truly bring you joy. Because at the end of the day, a purse is not going to make you happy. Happy is within you. Trap number 2, debt. Debt is a huge trap, okay? And we are all susceptible to it because it has been normalized in our culture. Debt is the modern day indentured servitude because you have to work in order to pay off your debt, and there's no opportunity to get ahead. So once you pay off your debt, once you are no longer in those shackles, you can really make some movement on your personal finance goals. You can do what you really want to do. It's the beautiful part about getting out of debt is being able to follow your dreams. You don't get out of debt just to get out of debt. You get out of debt so that you can do amazing things. 75% of US consumers have a credit card balance over $6,500. The total consumer debt as of September 2020 is $4.161 trillion. $4.161 trillion. The total consumer debt. That includes things like auto loans, student loans, and credit card loans. People get into debt because they are totally consumed with consumerism. They are trying to keep up with all their friends, when in reality, everyone is broke. You have to stop caring about what other people think about you, because that mindset keeps you in debt. A 2020 survey showed that 38% of people live paycheck to paycheck. 18% of people actually spend more than their income. This is the majority of people, 56% of people, who are living paycheck to paycheck or overspending. And this is regardless of their income. This is a problem across the board. So if you are making minimum wage or you have a 6-figure income, you are susceptible to this problem. Like I said, this is a modern day indentured servitude. The system is designed to keep you in debt because these companies don't make money if you're not in debt. That brings us to trap number 3, your comfort zone. You get the job that is offered easily. You go ahead and take out the student loans because it's easier than applying for grants or scholarships. You go ahead and you live at your parents' house because they'll take care of you and do your laundry and feed you because that's easy. 40% of people never move out of their hometown. Don't be afraid to leave the nest. Move out of your hometown. Move out of your parents' house. This is the only way that you will be able to develop the independence that you really need. Adults need independence. You need to spread your wings and fly. So don't be afraid of the unknown. Don't get stuck in that comfort zone. Your comfort zone can hold you back. It is only when you try new things, meet new people, go new places, get scared a little bit every day, because that is the opportunity for you to grow and develop, and not just financially, but as a person. It can be uncomfortable to get out of debt, to cut back your spending, and get control of your consumer habits. But once you're able to embrace that uncomfortable, then you have the advantage. Avoiding consumerism, avoiding debt, and avoiding your comfort zone will allow you opportunities to live your dreams. The best part is that this is all within your control. Isn't that great? You have a choice every single day how you are going to handle these 3 traps. I think you got this. Thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and boop that like button if you enjoyed the video, and leave a comment below because I love responding to comments. Until next time.